This is Marie from Underground Crafter, and if you've been following me, you know that I'm a Baby Lock brand ambassador. I just wanted to share this goodie box they sent us in advance of our meeting next week called Common Threads. It's a time that we all get together once a year. This is a ceramic container that I can use to hold some of my sewing supplies like scissors and other craft supplies too. It's probably great for crochet hooks. There is also, a t-shirt. Eat, sleep, sew. That's a good one. And I got an extra large one because I suspected it might be a good t-shirt for sleeping. And since it also mentions sleeping, then it definitely is. Then we got a really cool Notion bag. Oh, it's part of the Genuine collection. So my sewing machine that I have now, which is the Baby Lock Jubilant, is one of the Genuine collection machines. So this is kind of cool because it matches the carry bag that I have for it, and in terms of like all the patterns and everything. But it looks like it's pretty big. It's 2 inches deep, so I can fit a lot of stuff in here. I'm always looking for more storage, so that's great. This I'm not going to show you too much because I'm going to make something with it, but this is a fabric panel. Yeah, I'm putting that aside because I'll show you the rest when I make a project in the future. And a nice water bottle, pink, which is pretty much on my top favorite colors list, so that's awesome. Then there is, take that, heart-shaped pincushion, pair of shades, totally necessary for the summer, a nice ruler, 6x24, and it's also foldable, which is awesome. I love travel rulers because I always am on the go. Ooh, there's a garment measurement maker pad, which is cool. So I haven't really ventured too much into garments. I want to do a skirt this summer, and I'm working on a quilt coat, actually, project with my mom for next winter. So, we're each doing our own quilt coat, but this is pretty cool because I can use this for either of those projects. This is a collection of threads, needles, basting glue, a thread cutter, so a lot of cool notions, and a sticky pad, which I love those. We have a So Happy coaster, pretty awesome. The Creative Foot Kit, which I haven't used all of these. There's a braiding foot, an open toe foot, a Teflon foot, which I actually have already for some projects I've done with leather, a cording foot, a fringe foot, and a pin tuck foot. So I haven't used most of these, so part of what they're going to teach us is how some projects that we might use any of these feet for. So I'm excited for that. We have a sewing machine cover kit, so that's got the fabric from Riley Blake and the pattern, so that should be fun. I might be getting a new machine soon, so I definitely would look for the cover. I love my Baby Lock notepads. I have them for pretty much every year. They always have cool paper in them. And then this is the a project that they're suggesting we do with that fabric panel. That's the instructions. This is more details on the classes that they offer through the Sew Ed membership. And then these are some of the catalogs, which I'll be going through. I don't have a serger, and I don't have an embroidery machine, but I do have a machine in their sewing and quilting family, and these are really helpful because they give you all the details about each machine. And then this is just a cute, eco-friendly wrapping paper that's sewing themed, so adorable, from Rapidly. This is another catalog. And then down in here, we have some more information about their different products. So that's a pretty cool box. Now it's empty. Have to find place for everything. Have a great day.